everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all having an amazing day, guys. So today I have a very special video in the making, and we're doing a Lucky Charms collab, myself, Raven and Priya. So that's Priya K's Nails and Raven's Reviews. Oh my gosh, you know, when your sisters have so many aliases, you just don't know. So please, guys, I will leave a link to their channels in the description box so you can check out their videos and what they did. Mine's going to be a display set. Oops. Inspiration. This is the inspo. And obviously, what better collection to use than the Pot of Gold from Madam Glam. So I'm going to be using those colors. Now, guys, I think this video is going to be definitely a watch me work. So I will only come back in most likely at the end. And even when I edit, I will write some bits in if I need to. But I think it's going to be pretty self-explanatory, to be honest. It is definitely a watch me work. Love you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Oh my gosh, look at the nails. Oh wow, I had so much fun doing this set. We did some shamrocks, like, and you know, I glittered them because why not? The nails were already glitter. And we got a Lucky Charm nail there and some cereal, and I made some charms. So yeah, guys, please don't forget to go and check out Raven and Priya's video. I can't wait to see what they create. This was so fun. The kids are at school. They had after school club. I just sat here and created. Look at my rainbow. Oh, honestly, it was so like therapeutic at the same time. So I had so much fun, and I could just smell the cereal, and I was like, oh my gosh. So yes, guys, there's our little inspo. Let me show you. Yes, Lucky Charms collab. This was so cool to do. Let me stand up so you can see. Yes, absolutely loved it. Those charms though. This video is going to be so long. Wow, I'm going to have to literally edit. Anyway, guys, I'm Mama Does Nails, and I'm out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please, again, don't forget to go and check out Raven and Priya's video. Can't wait to see what they create. Bye.